So I wanted to show you how to get Figma model context protocol to Swift UI. Yeah. So I'm making a new project here, and then the most important is to go to settings, and in settings you have tools and integrations, and in tools and integrations you have this one, only this one. I will copy and paste this to you, so you can just copy and paste it from here. When you have it, you see here 4 tools enabled: get whatever, get image, get code, and so on. So now what you can do is you can go to Figma. Then this took me like a long time to find. So let's say we want to have this screen. You have to click it. So now it's selected. Then you have to go not here in the top settings, but here you see this very little symbol. You click here. You go on plugins, no, preferences, and enable dev mode MCP server. This thing I didn't even try yet, but this one needs to be enabled. So now I can click here, and then I can go back to cursor, and you can choose your favorite, most smart one. I have no idea. 03, I would say, or Gemini is also very good. And now you could say build me a Swift UI component from the selected Figma frame, or from the Figma. Let's hit enter. Okay, I'm not allowed to use this for whatever reason. Doesn't matter. I'll go to Claude and hit it. So build me a Swift UI component from the selected Figma. So let's see what it does. It's calling get code. You see it here. Get image for whatever they need the image, maybe to see how it looked like. And now it says I have the React HTML reference. Now he gets all the typography. And now it builds the confirm address screen. And after this is built, I will send it to you. Or maybe I can just open it inside Xcode and see how it looks. I'm not so experienced with Swift, or I have no idea about Swift at all. So here you see he made quite some work, and now if everything is correct, I should be able to go here in developer, this one here. I have this Swift file. Let's see what happens when I double click it. Open it in Xcode. I have no idea how I can preview this, so I will just send it to you, and let's see if this is helping or not.